Winter workshop number 2. We're at, where are we? Abbey Gardens?
Okay, I got this one here.
Somewhere in Haliburton, Highlands. And we're putting tents up. Putting Prospector tents up, snow trekkers, and having a lot of fun. Great group. Awesome! How is it?
Cheese!
Is it warm?
It's nice.
Yeah?
Very nice. Very nice.
Wow.
And that's just like, what, 4 minutes of burn?
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, no time at all.
Haha! Told you winter camping was fun.
Yeah, that was sweet.
That is. Wow.
Come on, you can do it. Oh, the polka's winning big time.
I gotta get Margaret in here. Actually, I pulled that thing up. It's light. It's smooth. Not this thing, that thing.
You can do it.
Woohoo! Bring that dead body in.
Did I just realized the Polk has no gear in it.
Yeah, I know. We got a body on ours. Little push.
It's a very serious workshop. Very, very serious.
It's